Hi, I'm Nick Sinclair, founder of Back from Black. We're a family-run beam renovation company and we've been lightening beams with no mess or damage for over 30 years. My mother, Penny, invented our process in 1997 when a friend of hers got frustrated by dark, oppressive beams but didn't want the fuss and hassle of blasting. Having been an artist for most of her life, Penny created a solution to the problem of dark beams with the help of her husband Ian, who is an engineer. This really caught on and spread throughout the Cotswolds, and then later all over the UK and into France. I took over the business in 2012 and now run it with my wife Lucy and good friend Peter, where we work nationwide, working on houses new and old. We're currently training our 3 and 1 year olds to be the next generation of beamers, already being instilled with our core values of pride, trust and integrity. We'd love to hear from you and be involved in your renovation project, helping to bring light and balance into your home.